Hi everybody, my name is Dr. Lisa Abbott. I'm a family practitioner in Mansfield, Texas, and I just wanted to put some information out there about the coronavirus vaccines. I know there's a lot of concern from my patients and even my friends and family about the vaccine and how it was developed, and there's some concern about its safety. So I just want to pass some information because I know it's hard sometimes to get medical information. And as far as I'm concerned, I think that the vaccines are very safe and effective. I know that a lot of people are concerned because the vaccine they feel has been rushed. But I guess I want people to know that they've been studying the way to make that vaccine since 2005 for other diseases like rabies and Zika virus and even flu. It's just that now with this horrible pandemic we're in, the government luckily could put some money toward making a new vaccine. The other reason it came about faster was because there's just so much disease everywhere. It's much easier to test when there's lots of cases of disease. And luckily for us, there was a lot of people that volunteered to be in the vaccine trials. So we could get a lot of good information about those vaccines in a quick fashion. The other thing that we know is that most side effects from respiratory vaccines come up in 6 to 8 weeks after we use the vaccine. And so we're past that 6 or 8 week mark in the trials, and we've been giving the vaccines now for close to a month. And so we'll be coming up on that 6 to 8 weeks as far as the general population. But we know there's not been any safety issues so far that have come up that are life-threatening. There have been some few cases of patients with allergies. Those patients, had a history of severe allergies, and so we know we have to be careful with those patients. But for the general population, I think the vaccine is very effective. For something to be 95% effective for a vaccine is really remarkable. And honestly, the first day they published that data, that the Moderna and Pfizer vaccines were 94 to 95% effective, I honestly can tell you that was the first day I felt hope that we could get through this pandemic if people could get their vaccine. So I just want to encourage everyone to get their vaccinations. I understand it's a hard decision for some people to make, but I just want people to feel comfortable that it is a safe and effective vaccine. There's a lot of misinformation about there's fetal cells in the vaccine that I've heard, and some people are concerned that young women will be sterile. Those things aren't founded in science. And those are really not things that we've witnessed at all with giving this vaccine. We've given 12 million doses so far. And right now in Tarrant County, the best way to get the vaccine is through the Tarrant County Public Health. If you just Google Tarrant County Public Health COVID-19 vaccine sign up, there's a sign up sheet. Just you put your demographics like your name, date of birth, phone number, and they'll reach out to you. THR, which is the hospital system that owns Harris, to Memorial and some of the other hospitals in the area, has been helping the health department, and they opened 3 new sites this week. And so I'm encouraged that more and more people are getting their vaccines, and a lot of the pharmacies are now starting to get the vaccinations. So I think that things will get easier and more people can get vaccinated. And I just encourage everyone to be vaccinated. Do it for yourself, do it for your family, do it for your community. Thank you for your time.